Hi, my name is Tiago Duarte and welcome to another video tutorial here at Daily Beats. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this track. Okay, so let's start after the intro. Last week there was no videos here to the channel because I was moving, as you can see from the new background, and I'm a new spot, a new place, and yeah, I have everything set up now. So let's start business again as usual. In this video, I'm going to make a techno trap or techno track, and yeah, let's go ahead and see how it goes. Yeah, my drum machine, my amplifier. I think I will use this one, the clean one. Let's now think on some basses. So, okay, I have here the sampler or sampler from Beat Magazine. I like these notes, so let's keep it like that. Let's make it a full note. And by the way, let's put this here. So we have kick, have hi-hats, and this is the bass. So let's create now a new insert for the bump effect or sidechain or whatever we want to call it. Let's make this mono. Let me add another sampler. Actually, let me copy and paste this one. Let me see what was the note. D sharp. Okay. I like this. Okay, let's shorten this. Okay, so this I will call high bass, something like that. Okay, so now let's go to a different one. Okay, I think I like there. Something like that, just for effects. And maybe I can add now a bunch of reverb to make it big. Let me check this one. Let's go with that one. Let's add here. Let me see, where is it? Okay, let's now add it like that. Okay, now we can decrease the volume, make it maybe to the right, something like that, and let's call this open hi-hat. We can also add some kind of reverb. I like this sound. It's kind of I don't want to say atmospheric, but it gives some kind of what's the word that I'm looking for? Kind of I'm trying to find a word, but I cannot get it. So let's go with this filter here and let's remove some of the frequencies. Okay, I like that. Let's see if we can make this work here. Maybe let's go to a new pattern. And let's just add this like so. Maybe that's too long. Let's just add it here and let's make it at the beginning. Maybe too long. Okay, so now let's try to find something to fill in the rest of the 16 bar. Okay, let's go now with hybrid. And let's see if we have some rises and falls. Too much. Like this. So let's go here, and for this one we can even make it more intense in terms of the numbers of the times that it plays, something like that. And I have to put it here. So now we already have this one filling the rest of the track, and we can add again more stuff just to create some more differentiation. For this one's 2, Control L. Okay. Again, tons of reverb. No, not like that. Okay, let me see, what is this? So this is the strange vibe. Okay. And I think this is it, guys. Of course, we can still add more stuff here to the track. We could add, I don't know, maybe some other shots, some other synth shots. But I think the track is already in a nice spot, in a nice place. And the next step would be to create a composition, start laying down the formula for the track, the idea for the track. And I think with this, of course, we could at the composition time, we could see if everything is enough, if the sounds that we have are enough, and if not, we could add more stuff to the composition. But I think listening to this track, I think it has a nice vibe, a nice loop, it has a nice melody. Also, it has a nice bass too. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new here to this channel, subscribe and activate the notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Also consider supporting my channel by buying one of my products at dailybeats.pt or become a premium or exclusive member, and you will be able to see the full video without any cuts. Also, if you want to send me your project for me to mess around with it, I will have links in the description and you can send me your projects. Yeah, that's basically it. Also, if you want to check out my merch, as you can see here, I started as a soldier, now I am a major. It's a shirt that I designed, and you will have links in the description if you want to check it out. So this is it. My name is Tiago Duarte, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.